If you are one of the people out there who has two Apple IDs, you've probably been looking for a way to merge those two identities since 2000 and forever. There's a few different ways that you can end up with two Apple IDs, but the result is the same: loss of access to digital purchases that were made under the old identity, including music, movies, TV shows, books, etc. Now, before I show you how to proceed, I do need to clarify something. Technically speaking, there is no way to merge two different identities, but what you can do is you can make them play well together by putting them into a family plan and enable purchase sharing. So technically, if you're already in a family plan with your spouse, this means that you're about to get into a threesome with yourself. Kinky. You can go through this process on the Mac, iPhone, or iPad, but in my experience, I find it a lot easier to do this on the Mac just because of the fact that the Mac can have multiple user accounts, whereas the iPhone and iPad can only be signed into one Apple ID at a time. The first step is to go into System Settings and create a new user. Then you'll want to sign in with your old Apple ID. Once you're logged into the account that's under the old Apple ID, you'll now need to switch back to the other account, go into Family Sharing, and then click on Add an additional family member. Next, send an invite to the old Apple ID to join your family. Personally, I find it easiest to do this via email, but of course that does mean that you would need to have access to the old email address. Once that invite is sent, you'll now need to switch once again to the account registered with the old Apple ID and accept the invitation. The last step in this process is you then need to go back into Family Sharing settings and enable purchase sharing. One of the weird things that I've discovered about this process is when you enable purchase sharing, the old purchases don't show up immediately. In my experience, it's usually about a 2 to 4 hour delay before the content that was purchased on the old Apple ID becomes available on the new Apple ID. Keep in mind, if you ever need a tech person who can help answer questions about your Mac, iPhone, or iPad, you can work with me from the comfort of your own home. Just book a 1-hour tech therapy session with me on my website at techtalkamerica.com. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is David A. Cox with Tech Talk America. Class dismissed.